Capping off a week 3 of college football, Mark Rogers TV with 3 up and 3 down. We talked Florida, we talked Notre Dame on the upside. Now it's time for, get this, Northwestern. The Wildcats, they're 3-0, and they, unlike just about everybody else in the Big Ten, have defeated teams in other BCS conferences. Syracuse, Vanderbilt, now Boston College 22-13 last week, and the Wildcats. The offense went crazy. 560 yards total offense. Yeah, they kicked 5 field goals and finally got it into the end zone with $1:37 left. But 560 in offense. 293 on the ground. And they've got 2 quarterbacks. They keep playing both of them. Trevor Siemian. This guy's got 68% completion percentage. Then you've got Kane Coulter. He's more experienced. He's a dual threat. He hit on 16 of 20 against Boston College. And usually Northwestern gets to a bowl game by winning a ton of 50-47 games. But the defense getting the job done. Just 13 points given up to Vandy, 13 to BC. And in those 2 games, the Wildcats gave up just 5 converted third downs on 24 attempts. So Northwestern playing very efficient football on both sides of the football. Could be a factor in the Big Ten, especially in a year in which the Big Ten is definitely down. That's our 3rd up team, Northwestern. Would love to hear what you have to say about Northwestern, the Big Ten, college football. Let us have it on Mark Rogers TV.